Okay, here we go again. July 20, 5:57 p.m. Same as usual. 1 can, 2 can, hands, fingers, 2 buckets, usual kind of stuff. Sensitivities let me just move this TA a little bit. 2 cans. TA is at 3.7, shows us 4.7. Needle is it's loose enough. Alright, I'm not going to repeat the same stuff I was doing before. I just want to check out one little thing here. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to get wet, so I'm going to put this down to 2.5, plunge my hands in. God, I got all the cords tangled up. Hang on. Stupid. Alright, got the cans in. So 2.5, put my hands in. Okay. Good enough. Perfect. I'm moving my hands around. Oh, hang on, let me move that cord. It's in the way. Okay, that should be right. Okay, so note the TA is on, note where the needle is. My hands are still, they're not touching the can. Alright, so I'm going to do a bit of moving fingers out. So my whole right hand, I got the palm out, but I've got 3 fingers in and the tip of a thumb, fingers to the base of the first knuckle, third knuckle, whichever the one next to the palm is. I'm just going to flip my little finger. It's the tip of my little finger here. Just move it a bit so I don't get the whole little finger. Out, in, out, in, out. What's going in is about, I haven't got my finger straight. Okay, let's just turn it around. So now my fingers are in vertically. My fingers are in vertically, my little fingers up to the first knuckle, about 1 inch of finger. Take the finger out, it goes off the dial. Finger in, I can see it. I'm going to move the TA up just a little bit. Right, finger in, first finger up to that first crease there. Little finger out. Little finger in, little finger out. Little finger in, little finger out. Alright, now I'm just going to adjust something here. Alright, little finger in, little finger out. Little finger in, little finger out. Now I just want to show you something here. I just put my entire foot in the bucket, alright, and there's a lot more skin area there than with my finger. Alright, so left hand's underwater, right hand's in. I still got my foot in. hang on, let me move it. It's touching the can. Let me move it so it's not touching the can. So I've got my foot in and my left hand in, my right hand in. I'm going to take my left hand out. So that's my whole left hand out and my whole left hand in. This is in up to the wrist, right? Whole hand out, whole hand in, little finger out, little finger in. Now this little finger, again, we're just talking about the top 3/4 of an inch going in and out. All right, out, in, out, in, out. Now I'm going to take my entire left hand out. So that's the entire hand. Think how much skin area there is. Put that one back in again. Now I'm going to take my entire foot out. All right, foot out. Oh God, it's painful. Okay, and back in again. And compare that to right hand, little finger in, little finger out, little finger in. It's not the entire little finger, it's just the tip of it, the top inch. Little finger in. So let's try a different finger. Third finger out, third finger in, third finger out, third finger in, second finger out, second finger in, first finger out, first finger in, first finger out. Sorry, I've got two fingers there. First finger out, first finger in. I've got two joints of the first finger in. And again, little finger out, little finger in, foot out, foot in, whole foot under, whole foot out, whole foot under. How many is that? That's 1, 2.5, 3.5, 4. It's about 4 divisions on that scale for my entire foot up to the ankle, and the little finger is 1 division, and that's 1 inch on my little finger. Why is that a non-orange? Huh? Okay, that's all.